Guys, the moment we've been not waiting for, the FLX app is here.
Access granted.
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I am so sorry I have not been active on my YouTube channel. I've just been so busy with life, and a lot of things tragically have happened this past year already, to the point where I just wasn't stable enough to just have the motivation to make an upload video. Anyways guys, this video isn't about my life and stuff. Let's get straight into it with the whole FLX app that we have here now that started I think February 1st or February 2nd. So it's a learning process for not just me but for everyone else. And I just want to do a quick review on what my thoughts are about this, and then what I've heard so far according to SellSneakerz, Foot Locker apps, and just social media in general. So first things first guys, once you open up the app, it's pretty much going to distribute you into creating a new account or just sending into your old VIP members account that you use for the other foot sites or whatever, such as Foot Locker, Foot Action, and so on. So once you get into the app guys, it's going to show you guys the tier number that you're in. So according to this app, there are 3 tiers. X1 tier, X2 tiers, and X3 tiers. So according to the tiers guys, in order for you to get into those tiers, you got to spend 29,999 X points and up to get into tier 1. To get into tier number 2, you got to get 30,000 X points, if not higher, to stay into X2 tier. For you to get to X3 tier, you got to spend or have 50,000 X points, which is equivalent to spending $500, and obviously that's the best tier that you can have and that they offer, which gives you exclusive access to sneakers, I believe, coupon codes, and other stuff like free shipping and gift cards. So according to the FLX account program, pretty much what it is they designed this for you to spend more money, according to what I've heard on social media and so on. Pretty much like basically what I got the gist is the more money you spend, the more exclusive access you get into getting specific stuff, whether it's discount codes at the stores, getting coupon codes at AMC places, or even maybe in general Walmart, Target, whatever it may be, and just gift cards. Now, from what I've heard from German Chris' video as well, I guess he had an incident where he updated his app, and I guess his coupon codes automatically were away. Now, I went out to social media and I was able to find some sources of Foot Locker actually saying that give it a couple of days and you should see your coupon codes back onto your account as long as they are active within those last 60 days of you getting it, and so on. So I assume they're just having a little bit of difficulty because it is a new program for everyone. You got to keep in mind that all the foot sites are all in this one FLX app now, so it's kind of hard to distribute everything and all the information going on for a company like that as of right now. So even if you're having trouble issues with your coupon codes, the best thing that I recommend before you even download the app is to screenshot all your coupon codes, and then just if you have issues, contact their support team and then talk to them and say, hey, I had coupon codes for my account and so on, can you please look further into this, and then see what they can do to help you. So obviously guys, a lot of people were asking questions on how you're able to reserve shoes and stuff using this app. Now I got information today using SellSneakerz on social media on their Twitter. According to them, the new reservation app process is going to be pretty much simple. According to this picture, they have the Jordan 1 Retro Highs, which is only available for Chicago. It says right here, you can look at the location. I'm sure you guys can see that. If not, I'll post it somewhere in this video of the screenshot so you guys can read it and see. So pretty much guys, it gives you the option to put your location. You can put your current location, obviously that's what most people do. And then once you get there, it gives you information regarding regarding a head start. Now a lot of people are kind of confused on the whole head start situation, but according to resources and sources that I found, like I said, on social media and especially on Twitter, it says you have to spend 1,000 XP points to get 1 head start. There is a total of 10 head starts, which is equivalent to 10,000 X points. So you basically have to spend $100 in order for you to get the highest amount of max head starts. And yeah, so here's proof, and you can see it, because I'm not sure if you guys seen it anywhere else in any other video, or you guys been looking up on social media and stuff. So yeah. So a lot of people ask me what the best advice I can give to people regarding this app. Now obviously guys, I'm new to this app as well as you are, so I'm kind of understanding it and trying to understand the process of it. But pretty much the best advice that, just from reading the stuff that I'm looking at right now, is to create several accounts in order for you, if you are a reseller, to get more opportunities into getting the shoe. Now according to what I also heard though, even though you get these head starts, it's still like any other app where it doesn't guarantee you the shoe. So just keep that in mind guys. If you guys are spending a lot of money just trying to get these head starts, just remember that this isn't gonna guarantee you the shoe that you get. A lot of people are actually complaining about this because of the fact that you're spending so much money on an app where you're not guaranteeing anything, but then I feel like the response is gonna be, well, you spent $100 and we're probably gonna give you like a $10, $15 reward of a gift card or some type of coupon. So they're probably just gonna say that like, oh, well, we're giving you some offers back, so it's not like we're leaving you empty-handed. So yeah. The other best advice I can give you would be just basically botting, guys. I say this strictly only due to the fact that online botting is getting a little bit more discreet and a little bit harder for people that are botting and stuff, but it does give you an increase in your chances into actually getting the shoe instead of you going through this process now with the FLX app giving you issues because you're not able to get more than one shoe and etc. So yeah, that's like the best advice I can give you. Now my overall opinion about this app is going to be, honestly, the truth is I think this app is trash. Not just because I'm only able to get one pair now, but due to the fact that like it just doesn't seem like it's starting off in a good way and a lot of people are already complaining about it. The other thing that I wanted to talk to you and mention about is that the Jordan 1 Retro High 85s is going to be exclusively accessed only to Chicago for, I believe, for All-Star Weekend. According to sources, there are going to be only 23,000 pairs available here. So if you are not living in Illinois or specifically Chicago, Illinois, you're probably automatically going to take it now unless you're literally there around those locations and have this app. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I know there's more information regarding the app and stuff. Like I have a picture right here pretty much showing you guys the basics and the gist of the FLX app. But I'll probably put that on the side of the video so you guys can read it and then you guys can go through it and stuff like that. But it's pretty much simple and not that complicated. You basically just have to spend as much money as you can in order for you to hopefully get access to one of these shoes and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, so sorry, like I said, I haven't been making a lot of videos. I've just been so busy with my life, like I said in the beginning of this video. But I do plan on making videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and now I'm going to be doing vlogging as well as doing live cops on the computer due to one of the facts that I just got CyberSoul and Dashi again. So I'm going to be using 5 bots instead of using the 2 or 3 that I had before. So look forward into me doing live cops and basically just giving you guys the best reviews on the internet, because I'm trying to get up there, guys. I really just want to be not a YouTuber all time, but just get that information for you guys so you guys get some good content going and stuff like that. So yeah, anyways, guys, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you guys drop a comments down below. Or if you guys want to reach me, just go ahead and go on to Instagram and just follow me at SellSneakerz. DM me and I'm more than welcome to give you guys any information or resources that you guys may or may not need or whatever it may be. So yeah, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. I'll make a part 2 when I find out more information regarding this app, and from there hopefully I can give you guys better content and just give you better information. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.